Hey guys, welcome to Sir Model Performance. Today I'm going to be working on my work truck, the 2006 Ford F150, and it definitely needs a new alternator. Here's the new alternator that I got for it, and what we have to do is take that one out. A quick way to test if your alternator is bad, I'm going to go ahead and turn on this truck. Up and running. So how I test these alternators, this is the power, this is negative over here. I'm going to take off the power just right off the bat. If you guys don't feel comfortable doing this, don't do it. But this is how I test if the alternator is good. If you disconnect the power, the car will shut off. Just like that. And I mean, it was running. Nobody's in the car seat. Nothing like that. I just literally disconnected the power off and the vehicle shuts off, meaning it's just running from pure battery. Here we are. That's how it froze. Key's still in there. All right, so key's right there now. Let's get to work. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the intake. Intake's moved out of the way, and I did replace that throttle body. Definitely check out that video here on my YouTube. I'm gonna grab my 10mm, take one off, take that one off. There's definitely the belt on there. You want to remove the belt. We're sorry about that, guys. My camera overheated while I was trying to record because the sun today here in Arizona is just ridiculous. All right, got a pipe wrench, because I can't find my other tool, so just break loose the belt. You can see you can work around it, but my pipe wrench is on there. I was able to slip off that belt. 10mm bolts. We got 2 on the top. 2 on the back. Bracket out of the way. Should be a 10mm nut. Take that off. So power. And my clip, just push down, comes out. Alright. That's how our alternator looks. 2 mounting pads on the bottom, 2 on the top. Put my power source on. I'll make it get on there a little bit quicker. Sleeve on my protector. I'll put on my clip. That snaps into place. Have my studs on the bottom. Just move the radiator hose out of the way. Got 1 stud in, other one in. Those studs down there do tighten up. Put my tabs on the back. I'm just chasing them in by finger. Hope you guys can see that. It's just the 2 over here in the back. Now I'm gonna grab my other ones. The other one goes right here. I'm gonna grab my other one. Back ones. Good. Tighten them down. The hose is in the way, of course. Alright, belt's on there. Hose can go back on there. These are 10s down there. Gotta tighten those suckers down. Let me put that. That's it. No mas clips on there. That's on there. Take out my pipe wrench. Got my 10mm. Do my checks, my wire, check. My intake. Grab my 8mm. Sorry about that. My phone again overheated while recording, but there's your bad alternator right there on the floor. We're done with it. Putting the new one. Again, we just put the intake back on there. New alternator's in, did all my checks, make sure there's no tools, put my belt back on, tighten down my intake. The last thing I got to do now is put on my battery. I'm going to leave it a little bit loose here, just so I can show you guys that test. So I'm going to try to turn it on, and then we're going to test this alternator just to make sure that it's good. Alright, looks good. The belt's not jumping everywhere, which is good with me. Okay, battery connected. Let's test this alternator. There we go, boy. Okay, it's off. Not touching. My negative's connected on that side. Alternator's good. Let's put this back on. You guys can hear the load. Battery's putting a charge, or sorry, alternator's putting a charge on the battery. That's why you guys hear that whine. It's just time. See if I got any battery lights on. There we go. Just need to do an exhaust. Chop off the muffler at least. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned with more Model Performance. If you want to check out more of my builds, as you see here in the picture, hop onto my channel and subscribe. I'd much appreciate the support. And again, this was a 2006 Ford F-150 with a 4.6 liter alternator change. Thank you. Take care. Peace.